Welcome to Illure. Do you know much about diabetes? It's not something all of us have thought a lot about as well. Knowing the intricacies of our health and learning about conditions like diabetes may turn out to be a great advantage. Bodies of ours are complicated and elaborate systems working in a mysterious way. Another example of mysteries we encounter is the variable blood sugar level, a factor which is sometimes overlooked. High blood sugar is a condition that potentially can lead to the disease called diabetes, which is a chronic disease that afflicts millions globally. On the other hand, when do we know if our blood sugar is high? What clues should we be aware of? How does diabetes express itself? These are the questions we are going to tackle as we go into this illuminating trip that we will take. This video will take you through some of the symptoms of your blood glucose levels being high as well as diabetes. First, let's dive into the signs that your blood sugar might be high. One of the first signs that your blood sugar may be high is frequent urination. This happens because your kidneys, which filter and clean your blood, are working overtime to remove the excess sugar. Your kidneys try to get rid of the sugar by flushing it out in your urine. Consequently, you may find yourself making more trips to the restroom than usual. Another sign of high blood sugar is increased thirst. This is a direct response to the frequent urination we just talked about. As your body loses fluid through urination, you may feel dehydrated and have a constant thirst that's hard to quench. It's a vicious cycle. The more you drink to quench your thirst, the more you'll urinate, leading to further dehydration. The third sign is unexplained weight loss. Now, this might sound like a dream come true for some, but in this context, it's not a good sign. When your body's cells don't get enough glucose, they begin to burn fat for energy. This can lead to weight loss, even if you're eating the same amount of food or more. This type of weight loss is not healthy urination, as it's a sign that your body isn't metabolizing weight loss correctly due to high blood sugar may be high. These symptoms can easily be overlooked or attributed to other causes, but it's essential to listen to your body. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, it might be time to check in with your healthcare provider to get your blood sugar levels tested. These are just the first few signs. There are several more to be aware of. Continuing with our list, the next signs include constant hunger, skin problems, and slow healing of wounds, all of which are linked to high blood sugar. Starting off with constant hunger, also known as polyphagia. This is a sign that your body isn't getting enough energy from the food you eat. You see, when blood sugar levels are high, the sugar can't enter your cells to be used as energy. This leaves you feeling hungry all the time, even if you've just eaten. It's like your body is running a marathon without any fuel. Next, we have skin problems. High blood sugar can cause both short-term and long-term effects on your skin. In the short term, you may notice your skin becoming dry and itchy. This is because excess sugar in your blood can pull fluid from your tissues, including your skin, leaving it dehydrated. Over time, high blood sugar can affect your blood flow, leading to dry skin that doesn't heal quickly. And speaking of healing, let's talk about our third sign. Slow healing of wounds. When your blood sugar levels are high, it can hinder your body's ability to heal. If you've noticed that cuts, scrapes, or even bruises are taking longer to heal than usual, it might be due to high blood sugar. This is because excess sugar in the bloodstream can damage your blood vessels, making it harder for blood, which carries essential nutrients for healing to reach your wounds. So if you're constantly hungry even after a good meal, if your skin is persistently dry and itchy, or if your wounds are taking longer than usual to heal, it could be a sign of high blood sugar. Remember, these are not just minor inconvenience. These are signals from your body telling you that something is not right. These signs are serious and need your attention. Still with us? Here are more signs to look out for. The seventh sign of high blood sugar is fatigue. When your body's cells aren't able to absorb glucose due to insulin resistance, they can't function optimally. This leads to a persistent sense of tiredness, regardless of how much rest you get. Next up is irritability. You might wonder how mood swings relate to blood sugar. Well, when your blood sugar levels are consistently high, your body has to work overtime to try and bring them down. which can lead to feelings of irritability and even depression. Finally, we have blurred vision. High blood sugar causes the lens in your eye to swell, affecting your ability to see. If left unchecked, this can lead to long-term vision problems, so it's not something to ignore. Remember, these are just signs. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, it might be time to consult a healthcare professional. Now let's move on to the final 3 signs. Wrapping up this section, the final signs are frequent infections, dark skin patches, and tingling or numbness in the hands or feet. Let's delve deeper. First up, frequent infections. High blood sugar can weaken your immune system, making you more susceptible to infections. This includes skin infections, urinary tract infections, or even a common cold that seems to last longer than usual. Next, dark skin patches. These patches, medically referred to as acanthosis nigricans, often appear in areas of the body where the skin folds, like the neck or armpits. They're a sign your body is having trouble processing sugar. Last but not least, tingling or numbness in the hands or feet. This is a symptom of nerve damage caused by prolonged high blood sugar levels, a condition known as peripheral neuropathy. These are all the signs that your blood sugar might be high. Now, let's move on to diabetes symptoms. So, what have we learned today? From our discussion, it's clear that high blood sugar doesn't always announce its presence with loud sirens. Sometimes it's the subtle signs that we need to watch out for. We've walked through 12 such indicators, ranging from increased thirst and frequent urination to unexplained weight loss and persistent fatigue. On the other hand, diabetes, a long-term consequence of persistently high blood sugar, has its own set of symptoms. These include feelings of constant hunger, blurred vision, slow healing sores, and even areas of darkened skin. The key takeaway, it's crucial to listen to your body and pay attention to these signs. If you've been experiencing any of these symptoms persistently, it's not something to brush off or ignore. Remember, your health is important. Don't ignore these signs and symptoms. Consult with a healthcare professional if you have concerns.